Did you know Facebook lets you define audiences and measure the performance against them? Without the proper audience reporting and exclusions, you're shooting from the hip and likely spending budget on the wrong people. I'm Steven, and I help Shopify marketers get the most out of Bloomreach. Today, we're talking about how to build smarter advertising audiences with Bloomreach, giving you more insight, better control, and more incremental revenue. Bloomreach supports multiple ad platforms, but for this example, we'll focus on Facebook and how to avoid overspending on existing customers and engaged audiences. Let's jump to audience segments in Meta and walk through the setup. This is the baseline audience structure I recommend for Shopify brands using Bloomreach. First, we define our engaged audience. These are people who are already in your funnel, but haven't purchased from us yet. These include 30-day site visitors with the Meta Pixel, 30-day site visitors from Bloomreach, and new and active email and SMS subscribers from Bloomreach. Next, we define our existing customers. And don't worry, you don't need to manually exclude them from the engaged segments. Anyone who qualifies as an existing customer will only land in that group, even if they also meet the engaged criteria. In this segment, we have 180-day purchasers from the Meta Pixel. This is the longest window Meta allows. Existing customers from Shopify audiences, and all customers from Bloomreach. I like to build a bit of redundancy across Meta, Shopify, and Bloomreach. That way, if one audience doesn't match the user, another can still pick them up. Here's what makes Bloomreach advertising audiences different. You're not stuck with just email addresses for matching. Bloomreach also taps into other identifiers, like phone numbers, which boost match rates and help you reach more of the right people. You can easily respect your customers' advertising consents too. When someone opts out, there's a flow to automatically remove them from every ad platform. No manual cleanup needed. Once your audiences are set up, you can manage everything in one place. You can add new channels, reuse existing audiences, or copy a new audience across multiple platforms. Smarter ad spend starts with smarter audiences. If you want to learn more about how you can personalize every customer interaction using Shopify and Bloomreach, click the link in the description. I'm Steven, and I'll see you next time on Supercharge Shopify with Bloomreach.